Okay. Yep, I guess should be okay. Yes. Right. Okay, guys. All right. So sorry about it. Okay. So I guess the booster doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to boost it. I'm trying to boost it, and well, it seems like it doesn't work. Okay. Anyway, well, so since with this it works now, then we will just keep it this way. Alright, so yep, and let's see what do we have here. Okay, thank you so much. Very sorry about it. Okay, I'm trying to boost it so that it will get a stable connection and a faster speed, fastest. Okay, so I guess that don't work. Then I have to Alright. Let's come back again. Okay, right, so hopefully things will be good now. Okay, I guess everyone should be in the correct one now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me see. Is it correct? Hi CK, hi, Merry Christmas. Okay, I hope this is the correct one. Okay, yeah. I need to get this right. Okay. Okay, so hopefully this should be the correct one. Okay, yep. So is the Merry Christmas with me right now? Is CK with me right now? Hubert, Hubert. Okay, never mind. You're on the other platform. Okay, yeah. Okay, we can focus Aussie pairs. Okay, we can focus Aussie pairs to buy or to sell. Okay, right, let's take a look. Okay, so for the Aussie, Aussie CAD had tested onto the support right here. Okay, so earlier on I was looking at this. After it tested this, I was thinking that whether should I focus to sell this, but yes, we can focus to sell this. However, I need a resistance. Okay, I need a resistance. So at the moment, either it breaks below, or it will or it should come up to the resistance level. Okay, the key levels here. Then we go for the selling. Okay, so that's what I'm looking out for. Okay, at the moment. So yesterday after the CPI from the Canadian dollar, and it swing down, and yesterday from here. Okay, let's take a look. Yesterday I was having a online sharing here. We are talking about this area here. After it swing up, okay, it hits onto the maximum. Okay, then after that it started to swing back down to where we want it to be, and it breaks through and tested onto my targets. So for those who actually entered this, I hope you managed to get some profits from here. All right, okay. Yeah, so next, and let's see what do we have here. Okay, and sorry, I have to shift a little bit here. Okay, I need to shift this, if not I cannot see a lot of things here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for Aussie CAD, tentatively I'm looking for it to I'm looking at it that it will still go a little bit higher up to test onto the resistance before we can start the selling. Yes, a bit too late. Yeah, that's right. 老师有点小声哈，有点小声哈。Okay. Then I shall eat the mic today. Okay, so yep, let me volume. Okay. OK， 如果还很小声的话，请让我知道哈。OK，Alright， so yes, let's move and okay, then let's move and for Aussie CAD tentatively let's wait for it to move up to hit the resistance level. Then we will come back and take a look whether if there is a chance for selling. Same thing for the Aussie franc today. I'm looking out for the Aussie franc. That's there will be a good chance that it should be moving towards the north. Okay, yeah. OK， 这样还可以哈。OK， 好。I'm sorry 啊，原来我不小心把那个麦克风调成1号啊，难怪啊。难怪我自己听的时候都觉得蛮小声的。OK， 谢谢你。OK，alright， so Aussie franc over here. Okay, Aussie franc over here. I'm also looking out for this buying first. Okay, to look out for the resistance. Then we will go for the selling. At the moment, not yet. Okay, at the moment. So still waiting. Okay, still waiting. Alright. Okay. Alright. So and in this area here, I'm still looking for some buying. Okay, to test onto the resistance. Same for Aussie yen. Hi JJ, nice to see you here, JJ. Alright, so for the Aussie yen, okay, I'm still looking for it to look out for the resistance up there. Okay, so it should be around this area here. Okay, I'm looking out for this area here. Alright, there's a range, there's a range for the Aussie yen. So still waiting for it to hit onto the resistance before we start buying. Aussie Kiwi today is on the buy side. Okay, they have already built out the buy. Okay, so tentatively buying is still highly possible. Okay, so for now, alright, okay, Aussie dollar, let's take a look. Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar over here. Yeah, Aussie dollar, we are actually looking out for selling. Okay, Aussie dollar looking out for some selling over here. And selling over here, but we are on the support. Okay, we are just merely, let's see, yeah, okay, it has just merely nicely closed below the support. So Aussie dollar, it can be, yeah, now it's still testing onto this area here, but this area is not so fantastic yet. Okay, still not that fantastic yet, I see. 1, 2, we are very close to the support as well. It has looks like it tested onto the support. We have about 29 pips. Okay, so let's wait for it to build up a new selling cycle. Then Aussie dollar, there may be a good chance. Okay, there may be a good chance for the Aussie dollar. Alright, okay, and let's see. Okay, because just now I actually tried to analyze some, but you know, there are many was like on the buy side today. So yeah, so since this hour there has some changes, then maybe we can take a look. All right, yeah, okay, and yep, for Euro Aussie, okay, Euro Aussie on the buy side, very clear. Okay, so we have broke the support. Okay, and now testing onto the resistance once again. Alright, so over at this point here, okay, we are looking into this area here. It's testing onto the resistance. So Euro Aussie, there may be a chance for selling, but we are in the bull, testing onto the resistance once again. Alright, so there isn't the main key point over here is the change of the trend, but now we are meeting up with the resistance. So at this point here, it looks like more onto the, you know, yeah, let me see, okay, over at this point here, selling, buying, yeah, testing onto the resistance here, but the thing is that it's looking out for this area here. Let me see. Okay, so tentatively Euro Aussie, it looks like there will be some good chance for this. It looks like there's some good chance for the buying, selling, sorry. Okay, okay, so allow it to let's see first, because Euro Aussie a little bit tough, huh? Okay, Let's talk about, let's see EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD we are testing onto the resistance, which is I think which I see that there's still quite a good chance we are very near to the resistance, and there's a lot of liquidity down there to take. So allow it to test onto the resistance first. Later on, then we will see how it goes before we take action. Okay, all right. EuroCAD will be one. Okay, then how about Euro Yen? Euro Yen is on the buy side. Okay, we are still in the bull, running very strongly. Okay, the bull is very bullish. You can see, okay, and well, I'm waiting for the bull to set up a resistance, but tentatively it has not really set up one, okay, over here. So, but there will be a chance. Okay, I see that there's quite a good chance there. All right, for the Euro Yen. Just now was not very clear. Now it was so much clearer. But we have about another. Let's see if this able to break. Okay, if this able to break, then we will have a good chance for the selling for the Euro Yen. Okay, so yep, let's see. Okay, for the Euro Yen, after it breaks this area 157,514, then there will be a good chance for the selling. Okay, it should have a good chance and a good space down here, about 40 over pips to go. Okay, about 40 pips to go. So let me take a look, which is here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 level. Okay, so this is the level that I'm looking out for. Okay, yep, just to let you know. Okay, let's see. All right, and for Euro Kiwi, all right, for Euro Kiwi, yes, Euro Kiwi over at this point here. All right, looks like we still have good space up there. All right, so forget about it. It's still on the bull. All right, for the pound dollar, euro dollar, not pound dollar, sorry, euro dollar. So for euro dollar, yesterday we were talking about this area, right? So it actually pumps into this area and now started to come back in for the selling. Well, for euro dollar, we are into this area here. Let's see. Okay, we are talking about the general trend. Currently, we are in the bull. The bull is a little bit struggling down here. So if you can see this area here and this area here, it looks like a head and shoulder, am I right? Okay, so it seems like there's a good chance. Okay, there's a good chance for the selling for the euro dollar. However, we need a resistance, correct? We will need a resistance. So there's a resistance up here forming up now nicely, and now it started to swing down. So over at this point here, coming here, there's a resistance. Okay, nice resistance over here. So over at this point here, we're also looking out for one level of support, which is this area here. Okay, so we have completed this area. Then since that's the case, we shall delete this away. Okay, so to give us a clearer picture. Okay, and let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now euro dollar. If the selling is nicely, okay, then there may be a chance that the selling will be still coming back. If not, this may be, let me see. Once this one, this level of support here, okay, and this level of support as well. Okay. Alright, so if this breaks, then we have a good chance for the euro dollar. Alright, if not, then I think not really there. Okay, yep, okay, yeah, after this I will have a drink. Okay, yeah. Okay, so pound Aussie, yeah, pound Aussie over here, pound Aussie, let's see. Pound Aussie, we are very clear, we are testing onto the resistance, so no for this. This is going into the interchange and doesn't seem like it's good. Okay, so let's see. For the pound CAD, we are also moving towards the north. So tentatively, it breaks that resistance. It becomes a support. It is still pushing as high as possible to reach the resistance up there. So at the moment, no. Okay. So pound franc, well, same thing. Is hover around this area. I wouldn't want to take a look at this area first. Okay, since it's supposed to be going for a ranging selling, but the setup is a support, so I'm going to skip that. For pound yen, okay, as for pound yen, this one looks like it's a very bullish one. Okay, this is setting up a resistance over here. So it's setting our resistance up here. Will it start selling all the way down? I don't think so. Okay, unless it breaks this support. Okay, unless it breaks this support, then probably we may be going down onto this area of support here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Okay, so we shall wait. Okay, we shall wait for pound yen. If this breaks below 183.176, then we'll have a good chance for the selling of 48 pips. If not, then we shall wait for it to go up 48 pips to test on the resistance, then we start selling. Okay, seems like we're in the middle. Am I right? Okay, looks like we're in the middle. So yeah, be patient with this. So pound yen, okay, yep, okay, let me put this pound yen into the watch list. But pound yen, remember, this pound yen will be a pullback from the bull. Okay, it's a bull market. Okay, it's pulling back to look out for support. Okay, it may be the support set up here. If this breaks, it may go down to look out for another support before it continue the buying. Okay, all right. So pound kiwi, very straightforward. We are breaking out. Okay, so into the buy. So no for the sellers. As for the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, we are struggling to break the structure to become a bear. However, today it needs a resistance. The resistance, I'm looking out into this area here. All right, so allow it to go for test the resistance before we can start the selling. Okay, we are trying to take out this candle here. All right, so let's hang on for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a while to see how it goes. So pound dollar, let's wait for the resistance. Okay, for dollar CAD, well, for dollar CAD, I'm waiting for this dollar CAD to test onto the resistance. Like now, today, we are testing onto the resistance now. So there may be a good chance for the selling. Okay, there may be a good chance of the selling if this able to hold as a resistance. Okay, so because generally we are still in the bear, so it's trying to test onto the resistance, and it may have the last reversal. Okay, then after that it set up the support and it will start to go long. So for now, okay, as of now, okay, there's this area of resistance. Let's see if this is able to hold. If this is able to hold, then we should have a good chance for the selling down. All right, it should be quite a good selling here. Okay, should be quite a good selling over at this point. Okay, so dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD, we shall take a look later on, but I don't think it's now. Okay, it's more onto the buy side. Okay, all right. Okay, dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Well, as for dollar franc, okay, we're also on the buy side. Okay, so no for the sellers. Dollar yen, well, dollar yen, let's take a look. Dollar yen, we are now also looking into this area here. Okay, we are looking into this area of buying. Then now, as for this dollar yen, we are actually looking into this area. Seems like it's stagnant. The price coming a bit sideways and ready to go for a selling. Let's take a look. Is there any new cycle of selling here? If there's a selling here, that should be a good one. But I'm still looking out for dollar yen. This may be only a pullback. Generally, it should still be pushing higher up. Okay, it should be still pushing higher up. So that is one. All right, if you are trading on the pullback today, okay, we should be looking out into this area here, which we still have about 20 over pips. Okay, 20 over pips. So is it good? 20 over pips in the for the pullback, I think we can skip that. Okay, all right, I think we can skip that. Okay, so let's take a look quickly into the Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, let's take a look. Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, the Bitcoin, let's see the Bitcoin. Well, we are still at the 30,400. I think the slight drop from the 31,000. So I think that we may still have some good chance of reversal after there seems like some support over here. Okay, so we have some resistance over here. Okay, it tested once, and over here is trying to support the area, support the price up here. Okay, so we can see it, after it comes back, it bounced back here. So of course, for Bitcoin, I usually wouldn't be using support and resistance to gauge it, because as we know, the market is a bit different. All right. So for the gold, yeah, for the gold, yes, I think nicely we have hits into the 1922, correct? 1922. Sorry, not 1922, 1916. Okay, so nicely it hits 1916 and even to 1912. All right, so over at this point here, yesterday Caro has a very good vision for this, and indeed it hits. All right, so he actually sent some picture into the Discord. All right, it says that the history may repeats. Okay, the history indeed it repeats. Okay, so congratulations, Caro. All right, so today we are having some consolidation over here. Seems like we are going back to look out for some buying. Okay, so looks like buying is still at the moment. Okay, at the moment some consolidation over here to see if this is able to hold and break out of this area, then we will see the buying is coming back here. Okay, so for the gold, tentatively allow it to test onto the lows first. Okay, then after that we will see how it goes. All right. Okay, yes, we made a good plan yesterday, indeed. Okay. Yes, that's nice, Caro. Okay, so yep, so let me check what do we have here. Okay, let's see. All right, we have some updated now. Okay, once let me send it out to everybody so that everybody can have some ideas of what to focus today. All right, what to focus today. Okay, so yep. And yes, I saw some questions here. Okay, so let me answer the question first. Okay. All right, so let's see. Pound dollar. Just now you were mentioning the pound dollar is going to take the resistance before it start the selling. Yes. Okay. For example, I'm looking out into the resistance level, like over generally, I'm looking into this level here. Okay, I'm looking to this level here. So I'm waiting for pound dollar to hit into about 127.403, or even to 403 to 434 area. Okay, 403 to 434 area. Then I think the selling will start coming in. Okay, if this able to hold as a resistance, I think the selling will start coming in again. Then we should be looking into an area of 38 pips, where is the low of yesterday. Okay, then trying to take that low. Okay, yeah, we can pay attention to that. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, then yeah, let's have a drink first. Okay. Yep. So today, what are we expecting to see? Some high impact news. Today, I think everything will start in the GMT plus 9:30. Okay. So some time zone at 2:30, some at 1:30. Okay. Some at 9:30 a.m. Right, which is tomorrow. Okay. So over at not tomorrow. Sorry. Later. Okay, because now you're in the midnight, huh? Alright, so we are looking into this area. Okay, we have Bailey's. Okay, and we have Powell. Okay, Yuida speaks. Okay, these three person going to speak together. Wow, what are they planning, man? They make an appointment to speak together. Okay, so well, just be a little bit careful. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's come back here. Let's see. Okay, so for the pound dollar at the moment, looking into this area here, we can see that it seems like this yesterday it stops here and it started to pump up, correct? And after that it started to swing down into this area. Looks like we are supposed to take this area, right? Okay, we're supposed to take down this. But the thing is that right now it's having some consolidation over here. Okay, so let's see if this is going to push a little bit more, okay, to take the resistance. Then after that, we are looking to sell down furthermore. Okay, from this area here, okay, we have a support. Now we have a support into this area here, okay, this support. So with this support, okay, with this support here, will there be a good chance that after the support, it will break the support to continue the selling, or it will actually bounce up to get the resistance before it starts to sell down? Will there be a good chance that you're also looking into this area to looks like the highs, the lows here, okay? Okay, looks like they are trying to take the lows. Okay, so after taking the lows, will there be a good chance that it's actually going up to take the highs? Okay, so let's see. Okay, because currently we still have about 20 minutes away from the pound, from the London market. Okay, so just wait for a little while. Okay, just wait for a little while to see if this is going to set up for a support, and then it will start to go for a buy. Okay, when it started to go for a buy, okay, then I think we should wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while for it to take the resistance before we start another round of selling. Okay, all right, okay, yeah, and at this point, right, yeah, I think still quite a while to go. Yeah, okay, quite a while to go. Okay, so we can, yeah, let's hang on for a little while and see how it goes. All right. Okay. Yes, and yes, what is that? Currently, by looking into this, I would say that it's still testing onto the support. Yes, it's still testing onto that support. Yeah, not surprised, because after it had tested once here, and it moves about 10 pips up to test onto the resistance area, which is starting from here, alright, and it's still being resisted down. Okay, over here. Okay, let's see this area here. So looks like this resistance to the support, resistance to the support, resistance to the support. So let's see how the London market reacts towards this movement. Okay, will it actually bring the price up first, okay, to take the highs? Okay, then after that we'll bring down the price down. Okay, since yesterday, it looks like the highs has been taken out. Okay, this highs, the highs has been taken out yesterday. All right, so let's see, will they take out the highs today? All right. Will you prefer to wait for it to or you are okay? So there may be another possibility that can happen as well. If we are going to break this, okay, retest this as a resistance to sell down. Yeah, we only have about 11 pips, 11 to 12 pips. Okay, that's about 11 to 12 pips. So of course, it may still have a good chance that it may still sell down. All right. But it may also have this chance to go into this low. Okay, which we should have about 20 over pips to go, which we should have 20 over pips to go. All right, okay, yeah. Then for this, okay, for this, then we may this one to this one, right? 20 over pips to go. Yeah, okay. So yeah, the possibility is there. The possibility is there. Yeah. Okay. But right now we are on the support. Then let's look at the support first. Okay. Let's observe the support first. Yeah. At the moment, okay. Let's see if this is going to take out this level here. All right. Yeah. So perhaps. Perhaps. Okay, because generally, okay, generally I'm actually looking out for it to clear, to reach 126,690, 126,690. Yeah, that's one. Okay, that's what I'm looking out for. Okay, 126,690. Yeah. Okay, so looks like it's breaking through. Okay, looks like it's breaking through right now. Okay. Yeah. Will it actually come back and retest this area to form another round of selling for us? Then we will have a good chance for selling. Okay. All right. Let's wait and see. Okay. Yes. Will it be a false breakout? Let's wait until it closes then. Let's wait until it closes then. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Today, looks like this area here. Okay. From this area to this area here is a bit. Although now we are into the zone of the selling. Okay, we are in the zone of selling, but you can see. Right, this zone, right? We are talking about this zone, right? Getting close, we are into this zone. However, by looking into this zone, you can see that a lot of support has comes in along the way. I'm waiting for it to clear this area here. Okay, I'm waiting for it to clear the area here. All right, yeah. So we are getting close. We are getting close. Okay, but then we are inside here. But along the way, there are a lot of support, correct? There's a lot of support down there. Okay. So let's see. Now we are coming in for a retesting. Okay, it looks like it's coming in for a retesting. Yeah. So this retesting, let's wait and see if this retesting able to hold as a resistance. If not, it may breaks above and go back again. Okay, it may breaks above and go back again. Yeah. Okay. So just be careful. Okay, just be careful. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Hi, Julius Crypto. Nice to see you. Where's your TP? All right. I have not entered this trade yet. Okay, but we are looking into first level here. All right. If you are talking about selling now, okay. Okay, that 127,155 or 126,883. Okay, 126,883. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's wait for a while. Okay, TPAJ, well done. Merry Christmas. Congratulations. Okay, well done. All right, AJ. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and now we are testing into this level. All right, we are testing to this level, so let's see. Okay, good. All right. Well, allow it to retest now. Allow it to retest. Okay. Right, will it actually retest to form a resistance, or will it actually go up to take a resistance once again, or even break higher? Okay, to take out the highs up here. Right, this is the 127,514. Okay, I'm actually looking up into this level here. Okay, today. Okay, looks like taking out the highs is quite possible, which I see should be about 127,517. Okay, so it's about there. Okay, yeah, but it depends whether now they have taken out the lows. All right, so now we are waiting for it to take the highs up there. Okay, so let's see if that will works. Okay, because from here to here, okay, we have about 28. It looks like it's quite low. Okay, yeah, over here. Okay, yeah, this area here, this one. So it looks like this area is the middle of the today Asian market here, and looks like we are this may be also one challenge for it to break before it actually go further up. Okay, yeah, so that's one, that is one. Okay, right, allow it to retest first. Okay, allow it to retest first, and let's not take any action first. Okay, especially right now we are actually drawing near. Okay, we are drawing near. Okay, we are drawing near into the London market's opening. Okay, hi Roberto. All right, wow, you looks like Tony Robbins. I thought, oh, Tony Robbins. Okay, so you're looking at the Kiwi dollar. Okay, let's take a look at Kiwi dollar then. All right, I don't have a Kiwi dollar with me, so let me have this. Okay. Okay. Alright, for Kiwi dollar, okay, generally I'm looking out for selling. Okay, over at this point, this will be the stop here. Alright, I still have we are pretty near to the support, 12 pips away. If it breaks 0.60862, and we should be looking out to another 30 pips. Okay, there'll be another 30 pips there. Alright, it should have another 30 pips here. Alright, it should be around, yeah, it should be around 0.60538. Okay, yeah, 60538. Okay, after it breaks the 6862, I will be looking at 6538. Alright, it's on the selling mode now. Okay, yeah, correct, that's right. Okay, that's for the Kiwi dollar. Yeah, okay. Alright, so do remember to click the link above, and you can join into my YouTube channel. Alright, so let's come back here with the pound dollar. Now we are testing into this area as a resistance. Let's see if this resistance able to hold. If this is not holding, then I think it will still continue to go up to take the highs. Today, in fact, I'm looking out for pound dollar, alright, to go up to take the highs. Alright, then after that, I see there's a very potential that it will start to swing all the way down. Okay, so I'm looking into this area to take out this area here, to take out the highs here. Then we are going to swing. Okay, I see there's a good potential to swing down. Okay, so I need pound dollar to go further up. Okay, go further up. Then after that, we will have a good chance. Okay, we'll have a good chance to really sell down. Okay, if not, this price to sell down a bit low. Okay. I'm still waiting. Okay. Yep. All right. Yes. Wow. Okay, so at this point here, what we are waiting for is for the pound dollar. Okay, that's why I say don't sell just now. You don't sell here. Okay, you don't sell here when the candle comes down. Okay, it may be a fake out, like you say. Okay, so allow it to retest first. If this retesting successful, then we can go for the selling. If not, okay, it will continue to go up to take the highs when the London market is open. Okay, yeah, it's possible. Okay, it's possible. So just wait for a while. Okay, just wait for a while before we take action. Okay, yeah. All right. Will it actually come down to continue the selling? That's possible. Okay, that can also be, unless it form a new resistance. Okay, unless it form a new resistance. Tentatively, no yet. Okay, no concrete answer to it yet. Yeah. Okay, so right now, as we can see, looks like it's actually pushing towards the north. Okay, looks like pushing towards the north, so allow it to push towards the north first. Okay, and let it continue to go further up. All right, don't rush. Okay, please don't rush. Okay, yeah. Okay, allow it to push further up. First. I'm still waiting for it to push even higher. Okay, to break this to go up further, so that you know why. Because over here, from here to here, I only have about 12 pips, and this is quite a good support. So I'm waiting for it to push higher, so when it start to swing down and it start to come back here, I have about 40 pips. And with this selling off, I think it's so much easier. Okay, it's so much easier. All right. So by looking at this, by looking into this area here, okay, it should be pushing into this level. Okay, anyway, that this level as well. Okay, we are just a little bit away from the pivot as well. Okay, so let's see if this is able to hold it. Okay. So candle close above this area here. So will this actually comes in as a support? All right, will it actually come in as a support to push further up? All right, let's see, and we shall see how it goes. Of course, I hope that it will still push as fast as possible straight away, and then later on, maybe in another 30 minutes or so, we can start selling down. When we start selling down to this area, at least we have about 27 pips, or even down there to about 40 pips. Correct. I need a space. Now I need a space. Okay, now I don't have I have a space of 12 pips only, so it can be quite tough. Okay, I need a space. Yes, you're right. Correct. Flora, yes. With this space of 12 pips, wouldn't you want to scout for 5? I think I can, but okay. But the thing is that with this along the way, not very comfortable with this here. Okay, yeah. Yeah. It may looks like it's still taking out all the buying volume over here. Looks like they are trying to take the lows there. Okay, looks like, you see, they are trying to take this area here. Well, let's see how it closes first. Okay. Yeah, seems like they are feeling the pressure here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, since we have not entered any trade, let's wait outside the trades, not inside the trades. Okay. Okay, as I see here, okay, as I see this area here, it seems like it bounce here. You know, it's a little bit, you know, seems like a support area here. We can see from the far left. Okay, from the far left here. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what I see here. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to shift this back. Okay. Okay, as long as we know this is the area that we are looking out for. Okay, Yep. Okay. Yep. Putting the support over, I see the support at this 14 14 hours. Okay, yeah, 14 hours. Yeah, this is the whole lot of support over here. Yes, as we can see, it also stopped here. Okay, all right, so this level here, yeah. Okay, yes, that is one area of support. Yeah. It tested once onto the support into this area here, and let's see if that will actually brings the price further up first to take the highs here. Then after that, from there, then we will I think there will be a good chance for the selling. Okay, allow it to take out the highs first, but along the way we have hurdles like the pivot here. All right, then after that we will see how it goes. I always trade according to the current situation. Yeah, I always trade according to the current situation here first. Whatever the chart is telling me what to do, okay, then I will continue, okay, waiting for it. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, we have about 1 minute to go. Okay, let's see how. Okay, good morning London. Well, let's watch and let's see how it goes. Right, looks like action is coming in soon. Okay, hold on for a while. Okay, hold on for a while. Okay, it's close on the support. Yeah, it closed on the support. That's right. Okay, so at the moment, right here, it seems like a retesting over at this point here. Should we go for a selling? Should we go for a selling now? I would say for me, I will wait for a while. Okay, let's hang on first. Okay, let's wait and see how it goes first, because at the moment it's actually, you know, it's neither here nor there. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's hang on, hold on for a while. Okay, hold on for a while first, and seems like the lower wick is telling us something. Okay. Okay, this lower wick over here, it looks like it's telling us something, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, I see that there may be a good chance that it should be still pushing up a little bit more. Yeah, this okay, let's take a look at 1 minute, huh? Okay, sure, Sabrina. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, tested once onto the resistance up there. This resistance over here. Still a little bit more to go. Okay, and from here, if we are looking into this level here, if you are looking to 1 minute chart, okay, we have a low here. We have one tested over into this level and set up a support right now. After 3 minutes, 2 minutes ago, it set up. It touches the support here, correct? With a lower wick. This is the wick that we are talking about. Okay, right, then after that, now we are moving towards for a higher support as well, a higher lows. But of course we can see now, you see rejections, right? Now you see rejections, so they are struggling in this area here. Okay, they are struggling in this area. Let's say if this 1 minute candle is going to break above this area, it looks like a breaking of a structure. So buying of this pound dollar is quite possible. Okay, it's quite possible to take this area out. Okay, all right, so let's see. Okay, looks like it's actually still struggling in the area here. All right, so let's hang on for a little while and see, okay, if this is going to break the structure and become a buy. Okay, quite possible, you know. Okay, yeah, so M5 is still struggling here. Okay, M5, if you can, as we can see, is still struggling over into this area here. Yeah, although we have a slight, we are in the range of the resistance over here, correct? The previous support. Now we are struggling around this area here. Yeah, so yeah, we got to wait for a little while and see how it goes. Okay, yeah, okay, you're looking to M1 now over at this area here. You can see it touches this area of support, a very small one here. Okay, there's some obstacle here. Okay, so now the rejections comes in again. There's a lot of rejections here and there, am I right? Okay, so that may be difficult to enter a trade right now. Okay, that means there's a lot of indecisiveness in the market. Okay, yeah, so wait. Okay, just wait and see. All right, yeah. Okay, I see that there may be a good chance, okay, the buying is still quite possible. Okay, the buying can be still quite possible over here, although the selling is coming in down here. Okay, it shows the selling is still coming in down here, correct? Okay, but according to the support here, as you can see, all right, we can see that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, it has been supported very, very firm. Okay, let's see. Okay, if that should shoot it up to take the high up there, then after that there will be a good chance. When it hits onto the highs, there will be things that we need to pay attention to. One, it may break above to go into this area, which I'm looking into this long wick up here. All right. Two, okay, it may hold down to take the lows up down there. Okay, so it's either way, am I right? But then how are we going to look out for things like this? Is we're going to see how it goes when it hits into this area. If this form as a resistance here, then okay, I think that is a good thing to go. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so looks like a M1. We can see if this is going to close above this area here, like now. Looks like there's a little break of structure, am I right? But this is M1. Okay, very, very small time frame. Okay, and M5. Okay, well, let's take a look at M5. Looks like we are still pushing higher to see if we are able to break the structure for this whole area to go for the buy. Okay, yeah, so let's hang on and see. Okay, from this area. Okay, so this area, okay, 517. Okay, 517 is possible. Okay, okay, wait first. Okay, so yes. Okay, so this area here, we are looking into this area. Yes, Bradley, buy GU. Buy GU for right now. Okay, if you are looking to buy GU, I'll be looking into this pivot first. Okay, this area first. So this area, let's say if this buy comes in, you have already pumped in the buy, am I right? Okay, so let's say you pump in a buy, and then you can wait for this area. If it hits and form a resistance, you exit the trade. If it doesn't, okay, if it continue to break above to set up another higher support, another higher lows, yes, you can continue to hold all the way up to 127.517. 127.517. Yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Yes. Is that the reason why you don't put in a selling just now? you talking about this area? Okay, if I'm talking about this area, because although it breaks through here, but it may be a fake out. Okay, it retests. I will be waiting for the retesting to form a resistance. However, it did not form any resistance. Okay, it did not form any resistance below this area here. So I will be waiting to see if there's a chance that it's actually breaking through, breaking above to go higher up. Okay, or it will form a resistance down here. But since no resistance form up here, I will be waiting for it to go. Okay, yeah. Okay, go TP, 7 pips on the buy. Well done, Caro. Good job. Let's see. Wow. Okay, congratulations. Good job, good job. Well done, well done. Well, very good. Okay, nice. Okay, keep it going. All right, I will be looking at pound dollar also be going on the buy side. Okay, and let's see if that will actually continue. Okay, let's see. I think should be good to keep it going. Okay, at any point of time over here, if that is going to come back for the a selling, please don't sell. Okay, it may be only coming back to set up a higher lows, and it will continue to go higher up. Okay, yeah. But of course, along the way, although I say it can go up this way, but along the way there may be some hiccups here. Okay, we have one level here, which is the pivot, then one level here of the resistance. Then after that, it will be looking out for this area here. Okay, it's also possible. Okay, so along the way there's one hurdles, second hurdles. Okay, so just look out for these hurdles. One hurdles from this hurdle is about 7 pips. Okay, so if the pound dollar able to break these hurdles, all right, then we will be looking out for another 7 pips to meet up with another hurdles. Okay, yeah, so just take note. Okay, just take note. All right. Okay, yeah. Yep. Okay, just hang on. Just hold on for this. Okay, for people who have entered the buy for the pound dollar, okay, just hold on. Yeah, you can read it well. Okay, so that's hold on first. Let's see. There are a few possibility over into this area here. So currently it's still struggling over at this point. Some rejections here, they're bound to have a reason. Is this one of the reason, which is the resistance? Okay, so let's see if over here. Okay, then we can take a look. Okay, yeah. Okay, looks like it has tested onto the resistance here, this level here. Correct, it went into this area. Can you see this whole area of resistance here? Correct. Okay, this whole area of resistance here. Yeah, you can see in the 1 hour chart. Okay, they have tested into this area here. All right, will it actually push through? If this is going to push through, okay, I think highly likely we are going to look out for more buying. Okay, all right, we're going to look out for more buying. In this area, I will say, okay, buying and selling, it can be quite tough. Okay, for me, I think it will be quite tough. Okay, as you can see, these are all the. Okay, let me zoom in so that you can see. You see, wow. Okay, selling happily. Okay, for seller. Oh, buying happily for the buyers, selling happily for the sellers, and buying happily for the buyers. But they are all falling into the same range here. Okay, so either way. Okay, it's still going on the either way. All right, so let's allow it to break through this area first. Okay, break through of this range here. So after it breaks through, you can for those that entered, continue to hold. Okay, yeah. All right, for scalpers, okay, you can, of course you can, why not? Okay, however, that may be kind of tough, huh? Okay, it can be quite tough. So about 6 pips of space within this whole area. It's about 6 pips only, you know. Okay, so let's wait for it to break above. Let's say it breaks this and retest this into as a support. It will have a higher chance to break out everything. Okay, at least it will have a higher chance to break the pivot. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yes, like you always say, it will come back to one area of support to build out the support. Will that be possible? Like this area of one price, the price of 12720, 12720. Oh yeah, okay. Possible. It may also possible after it may come back here to set up the support. Okay, then after that, then it will shoot again. It's possible as well. Okay, it's possible as well. Then it depends whether if all this resistance able to hold it down. Okay, it all depends on whether all these will be able to hold it down. Let's say you see this area here, just now it tested and got rejected. Okay, let's break this first. Okay, let's break these rejections first. All right, once we break these rejections, okay, that means we can see that buyers are very keen in buying further up into the next higher level of resistance. Okay, yeah, so we need to see the interest. Okay, the market interest. All right, okay, if the let's say now if this is going to break through, you can see the buying interest. Correct, you can see the buying interest over here. Okay, but if there's forming down a resistance, that means the buying interest stop. Correct. So that is also one point, okay, to look out for. Yeah, okay. So looks like the buyers are still very keen in buying further up. Okay, let's see. We still in this area. Please don't enter any trade, because if I'm going to shrink this down, it looks like a consolidation. Correct, it looks like consolidation, so not very ideal. Okay, not so ideal. All right, so at the moment, let's hang on first to see. All right, yeah, for people who are good at the trading within the scalping into this area here, okay, I think it's fine. Okay, but once the price is up here, do not enter any more buying trade. Okay, don't enter any more buying trade. Okay, yeah, it's that means to say you may be buying at a higher price. Okay, yeah, looks like the buyers are still showing interest. Okay, buyers are still showing interest. All right, so we have one more point here. Okay, yes, time for cowboy. Time for cowboy. Okay, so yeah, I think maybe, yeah. Yeah, I think that where's the cowboy? Where's the cowboys? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Looks like buyers are still pushing. Okay, we know who's cowboys around here. Exactly. That's true. Okay, stay put. Okay, I'm trying to use this because there's a lot of learning points here. Okay, I'm monitoring this pound dollars because there's a lot of learning point here. All right, so that we can see when we come to a situation like this, how are we going to react according to the market. Okay, all right, so at the very least, we learn something from each other over here. Okay, all right, so this area here, whoever who has entered, I'm about to say whoever entered, let me know. Okay, I think nobody will let me know. They don't want to reveal themselves who are the cowboys. Okay, so yeah, but if you are holding onto a buying trades, okay, then you have to look out for this level and this level, and we have a pivot up there. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, let's drink some water, huh? Okay, so right now, seems like buyers are still showing interest. Okay, looks like they are trying to push higher up there. Okay, yes, I'm looking at 20 pips swing from this. I'm looking at 20 pips swing from this buy order. Do you think it's possible? Okay, 20 pips from these buy orders. So are you talking about this area? 20 pips, all right, which is the pivot. Okay, possible, okay, it's possible. All right, yeah, that is possible. Okay, if you're looking into this M50, H1 M30, looks like you know, let me shrink a little bit. Let me see. M30 or M15. Let me shrink again. M30. With this M30, it gives me more confidence about buying. Okay, yeah. Okay, so candle should shoot up now. Whew. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Go push further up. All right. I know you should come down a little bit, but not now. Okay, we are coming now. Okay, we broke through this area, right? Okay, so let's go for this area. Okay, let's go for this area now. Okay, the magic is coming, right? Yeah, well, push it. Yes, good boy. That's the way. All right, good boy. Okay, yeah, well, nice. Okay, we are now testing into this level now. Okay, guys, take note. Okay, we are now into one key levels. Well, with this, okay, will it actually form a resistance to sell down to this area to form a support, which we have about 15 pips. Another round for scalpers. Another round for scalpers, huh? But not now. They are not supposed to sell now, huh? Not now. Okay. All right. Okay. Hang on. Because looks like the buyers are still very enthusiastic to continue the buying. So until now they are still testing onto the resistance now, correct? Okay, so we may see some selling down later on. Okay, but candle is not closing yet. No concrete answer towards that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, okay, let's take a look. Okay, all right, and let's see if this is going to push a little bit more. Now seems like it got rejections, some rejections there. Okay, some rejections there. We have 2 minutes to go. All right, 2 minutes to go. Okay, hang on. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Okay, looks like there are some selling down to this area here. It may form a support over here. Okay, then over this area may form support to push higher up. Okay, may form support to push higher up in this area here. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note about this. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's coming, right? Allow it to come into this area to form a support around this area here. All right, so we go one candle by one candle. Okay, candle by candle. Let's see how it goes first. Okay, let's see if the next candle will open up to push higher up. Okay, take it easy, man, come on. I wonder how you can wait when you can tell the trend is moving up and yet not enter any trades. Because I'm a seller. Very clear answer, right? Okay, Roger, that is, I'm a seller. I don't buy. Okay, so I'm waiting for resistance to sell. Example like this. Okay, I'm waiting for an opportunity to sell. Okay, I don't want to break my structure. Okay, my structure. I don't want to break my structure, so I rather wait. Okay, yeah. So we have tested into this area here. All right, as you can see, we are tested into this area here, and now it got rejected up. So forming another support. Will it actually breaks away from this resistance? Okay, how did you manage to call that? What do you mean? How do I manage to call that? This price here. This level 127.318. Okay, I place it because just now this is where the rejections, where the price actually dropped. Okay, 5, 10, 15 minutes ago. Okay, it came in and then after it got rejected down. Then I place it here. Okay, so I know that this is one level that it become a support. Okay, so yeah, so right here. Okay, yes, you can remember all the movement for every candle. What do you mean? Okay, anyway, all right, so over here, and now we are setting up this, testing onto the resistance. Let's see if we are going to break this to go further up to test the pivot. Okay, all right. Okay, we have a pivot up there, so let's move this. Okay, we have settled this. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, around here. All right. Okay, yes. Oh sure, if you have question, just turn on your mic. Okay, if you have question, just turn on your mic. All right. Okay. No, I don't have such a good memory for every candle's movement. Okay, but at least for the past 15 minutes or so, you know, we have monitoring this since here, right? So you can remember the movement. Okay, I'm sure you can. Okay, I'm sure you can do it as well. So yeah, okay. Can you remember last year movement? I don't know. What? Last year movement? You must be kidding me. Okay guys, let's take a look. Okay, seems like we are coming back here. The resistance is not breaking and we have some rejections here. Okay, so we have some rejections here. Sellers, we are, looks like it's coming into these 15 pips here, 13 pips around here. Okay, so but this area here is one of the support area that we need to be careful. As we can see, the candle rejected from this level, correct? So it can be still quite quite risky. Okay, it can still be it still can be quite risky. All right, so yeah, just take note. Okay, just take note. All right. Okay, so let's see if this actually the candle can coming down. Okay, it hits on the area now. All right, so let's see if this is going to hold it or break it down to, or hold it to go further up once again to break the resistance here. Okay, now we are, as you can see, now we are pushing. Every support is, okay, let's say I'm using this as a working line. From the support, it pushes higher support, it pushes higher support, pushes higher and pushes higher. Can you see the movement is pushing nearer to the resistance, which is a good sign for buyers, not for the sellers. Okay, all right, so it's still for the buyers. Okay, at the moment it is still for the buyers. All right, okay, yep. Okay, so tentatively, what we are going towards where are we going towards is to break this resistance first. Okay, we are going to test onto this resistance. Seems like it's kind of tough now. Okay, they are struggling now. Am I right? Looks like they are struggling right now. So let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Okay. It seems like we are also coming into this area here. We have 1 more minute to M30 opening. Okay, M30 is opening. So M30 has opened. Okay, looks like how it reacts. Let's see. M30 has opened. We have rejections, both rejections here. Nice. Now we are pushing towards the resistance. Are we going to break the rejections here? Are we going to break the rejections? Okay, let's see if we are going to break the rejections here. Okay. Okay, if this breaks, ha ha ha, it will be a mamma mia. Okay, all right. So yes, you are most welcome. Okay, bringing you candle by candle to understand the movement is my pleasure. Because I'm waiting for it to reach these highs here for me to sell, so that I have more pips to sell down. Okay, since some of you have already entered the buy, am I right? So yeah, then we can monitor it together. Okay, so looks like the buyers are still working very hard to push through, and we are very near to the pivot as well. So please take note, we are trying to take the pivot. Okay, we are still trying to take the pivot. Okay, the pivot. Okay, all right, still working hard on that. Okay, yes, still working hard on that. All right, so at the moment, okay, yeah, every candle movement worth a lesson, and you bring it well. Thank you, Eric. You are most welcome. Okay, yep. Okay, yes. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this is going to bring more and more and more. Okay, if this is able to break, okay, if this is able to break, we should see a spike, good spike up, but not much. Okay, because we have a hurdle down up here. Remember, like I said, after the pivot, we only have 7 pips of spike, and we're going to meet up with another hurdles. Once we clear these hurdles, we are going to take 127.51.7. Okay, all right. Okay, once we take 127.448, we are going to have this. Okay, all right. So let's see if this is the pivot, Let's talk about this first. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, if this is going to be good. All right. Okay. Oh my god. Should we call for a key bell? Right, thank you, Bradley. Good explanation, Eric. All right, thank you so much. Thank you for encouragement. Okay, so well, we are still here. We are still here. It depends on where it closed. Okay, we are still on this resistance. We still have to depends where it closed for this candle. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. All right. So looks like they are still coming in. Okay, to look out for this support. All right. And then seems like the support is really moving nearer to the resistance. Okay, it's getting nearer. It's getting nearer. Yep. Okay. All right. EA and GA, huh? Okay. Hi KH. Nice to see you here. EA and GA. Let's take a look at GA. GA, first of all, is a bull. This is a bull. So tested onto the resistance, looking for support. Obviously, it's looking for support. We should have about 20 pips to go. All right. Okay, looks good. Oh, missed. Too bad. Okay. So we have to wait for a little while. Here. Okay, so from here down to this about 35 pips. Okay, so for pound Aussie, if there's a chance for selling down, retest to form a new resistance below this whole area is a tungsten. Looks like a tungsten. Okay. Okay, so yep, no, it's not a tungsten anyway. Okay, just joking. So if there's a good chance, there should be a selling down over into this area here. Okay, yeah, pound Aussie, yes, you can look out for selling, but remember, this is anti-trend trading. Okay, this is anti-trend trading. Okay, so for Euro Aussie, we're also in the bull. Okay, we are looking for support as well, meeting our resistance. Yes, we still have about 30 pips to go. Okay, not bad. Good. Okay, same thing. Okay, we are going to look out for this area. Okay, it's the same with pound Aussie. Okay, so let's see if this is going to retest, and then we have a good chance for selling down. Okay, all right. Okay, that's for the Euro Aussie. Yes, the pound starts selling. Okay, let's come back per pound. Okay. Oh, it tested. Oh my god, it tested, but fear to break out. Fear to break out. All right, so tested this area, and now this candle. Oh, one candle taken out all this buying. Right, so sad. Okay, so now it tested into this area here. It's bringing down to this support area, back to this area here. Now will it break this support to go down for the selling? Oh my. Okay, so upset, right? Okay, yeah. Bradley, just now you were buying. How's your buying? Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this now. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, so will this actually break through to continue the selling? Okay, take a look. It may be coming down to this area here. All right. Okay, let's see how it closes first. It's tested onto the support now, correct? Okay. Yeah. So for those who are actually holding on to the GU just now, how is it? Close GU with 5 pips profit. Okay, that's nice. Okay, good, very good. Okay, well, looks like it's actually pushing down more. We are going to take something down there. We're going to take something down there, correct? Oh, nice. So this is the key levels just now. I missed this, but I'm actually waiting for it to go further up first. Well, just now when we are talking about this level, right? Okay, so this level, okay, over here. So it tested, seems like it's going to break. So we are very near to the pivot, getting nearer to the pivot. Am I right? So this area here, okay. So just now when it comes in, when it tests onto the resistance, it comes in here. Once it breaks this area, well, this area will be a good chance, like just now we were saying, like Sabrina were asking, it will have a good chance to come back here to form the support. So if it is going to close on the support here, then we will have a good chance to go further up. Okay, then we'll have a good chance to go further up. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so let's see how it closes first over here. Okay, once it closes, if this is going to close as a support, okay, then if it forms another round of support, we have a good chance that it's going to continue the buying. Okay, yeah, it's so tough on the pound dollar today with this consolidation. Yeah, indeed. Okay, over here, yeah, similarly, okay, for the euro dollar, you can see similarly, yeah, okay, similar. All right, but it's just that we can see there's quite a lot of these learning points here. Yes, gold is creating ideal selling structure. Every 5 minutes candle is closing lower than previous. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, there you go. Oh, okay, yeah. But 1910 is very difficult to break. We know that from the past. Yes, that's right. Over here. Yeah, looks like. Oh, 1910, huh? Yeah, it's still trying to break. It's still trying to break. It's still working on it, huh? 1910 here. Let's see the next hour. Okay, let's wait for the next hour. All right, let's wait for the next hour. Okay, yes, pound dollar is setting up the support. Yeah, I see. Over here, it looks like. Looks like. Okay, yeah. Looks like this is setting out the support, which is good. Okay. Looks like setting out the support. Okay, but I have to wait. Okay, please don't take any. Hang on first, because right here, as we can see, if this is going to set up the support here. Okay, let me see. Well, possible to go back up if this, okay, right now, if this candle is going to close and it's as a support, possible to go up to retest again. Yeah, it's possible. Okay, it's possible. Okay, that's quite possible, huh? All right. But it also right now, okay, hang on first. There's nothing about this first until the candle closed. Okay, until the candle closed. Because as you can see, the next opening candle is 15 minutes candle. So if this 15 minutes candle is going to close as a support too, quite likely you're going to push another round to buy. Okay, yeah, it's going to push again to buy. Okay. Yeah, possible. Should we set up for the buy right now? If you are scalpers, I think the buying is possible for about, we have about 10 pips from now. We have about 10 pips from now, but it depends on how it close. It depends on how it close and where it close. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it depends. So exciting with this pound dollar, even I didn't enter any trades. Okay, yeah, I guess a lot of learning points in these pound dollars, correct? Yeah. I see that there's good chance, okay, but the thing is that the good chance for buying to this high, to take out the highs, but we are still waiting for this level, still waiting to take this, to break this level first. That level is more important. What if they actually reach the level and close on top? Does that mean we don't have a chance for buying? Yes, you can say so. Alright, you don't buy at this level. You don't buy at this level of resistance, correct? Alright, you don't buy at the level of resistance. You buy at the level of support, correct? But this tentatively, if the candle don't close at this area here right now, okay, then it's not very ideal yet. Okay, it's not very ideal. Okay. So just be patient, okay? Just be patient. Sometimes you may not get a chance to, you may not get a chance to buy in, okay? Then you wait for another opportunity. Yeah, just wait for another opportunity. Don't rush yourself, okay? I think there may be a good chance that it's going to push up the test onto the resistance, this area here. I see there's a good chance there. Yeah. 1 minute again. Yeah, huh? Yes, Sabrina. Now I see 1 minute, have a good chance of buying. Now it closed with the support, right? Okay, so perhaps, but I don't see. Let's see. Okay, we are still falling into this area here. Okay, if you are making use of M1, okay, if this actually pushes through, if you are buying this up there, I would say it's no, a conflict of interest to me. Okay, we are the fundamental is that they will recover this long candle, okay, especially when they close with the support here. Okay, it's quite good, okay, in a way. All right, but remember, we are still in this range. You're correct, we are still in this range here, so can be quite difficult here. Yeah, I shall keep my hands away. Okay. Okay, as you can see now, right? Well, it seems like still quite struggling around here. Yeah, so just keep it that way. Let's see first how is it going. Looks like today The price is still waiting for the news tonight. Okay. Looks like the pound is holding the price very well, huh? Okay. Okay, so this hour it looks like not much. Maybe the next H4 will be better. Maybe the next H4 will be better. More is clearer in the way for buying or selling. Okay, next H4. I see maybe the next H4 may be better. Not surprised. Okay, not surprised to see things like this to happen. Okay. Will this support actually manage to push through the whole thing? Let's see whether it will push through or not. Then we will see how it reacts and into this level here. Okay. Okay. Now come to this level. Okay, we are going to have some turbulence here. Okay, we're going to have some turbulence here. If this able to clear this area to close above, then I think it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. All right. Hang on. Yeah. Go TP 5 pips again. Well done. Let's take a look. Okay. Wow, what a good buy. Okay. Well done. Okay. Good. GUTP 5 pips as well. That's good. All right. Wow. Okay. Well done, man. Okay. Good job. Okay, good catch for that. All right. Good catch. Congratulations, guys. Well done. Wow. Okay. Good scalpers. There are so many cowboys here. Okay. All right. Good catch. Okay, so I think that's good. Okay. Well done. Okay, let's see if this is going to capture out one more. Trinity GUTP buy. Okay, congratulations. We are crashing the market. Yes. All right. Nice. Okay, good job. Okay. All right. Okay. So good catch. We should already know how to capture all this kind of big movement, huh? Okay. Yeah. Because for this one for me, it went down this way to set up the support. Okay. For me, if it's coming for the buy, not for me definitely. Okay, unless you are talking about big movement going up first, then when you start to sell down, then okay, then I will have a good I will go for the catch. Okay, yeah, these are all the super scalpers. No, they are no longer called scalpers. They should be termed as snipers. Okay, yeah, I'm still waiting. Okay, I wish to see the price to reach 127.517. Then after taking out the highs to form up selling, then I will go for the selling. Okay. Yep. Nice catch, everyone. Good job. All right. Okay. So yep. Once again, and looks like it's still hovering around this area here. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this area here, right? Yeah, this whole range area here. It seems like it's started to hold the resistance well, and it started to move downwards. Can you see? It started from here, okay, right, then it started to move downwards, correct? Okay, if this is going to move downwards and downwards, then forget about myself for selling today. All right, okay, then let's see. Okay, now we have another support here, correct? Okay, let's move this downwards. Okay, let's see if this price is going to come back here. The price is going to come back here to set up the support for buyers to buy. Okay, if this able to come down as a support, and then it started to set up the support like this just now, or like this, then the next round, okay, once the candle close as a support, then we'll go for the buy. Okay, we'll go for the buy for the buyers. Okay, that's for the buyers, right? Looking at this point here, it should be still testing into this level, huh? Okay, it should be still testing onto the levels there. But first of all, let's not take a look at that levels. Let's look at this level first, because as you can see, this is the point where it started to get rejected now, and from the point you can see previously there's a resistance, correct? Area of resistance here. All right, so this is a starting point, so we can carefully draw this out. Okay, this whole range here. All right, let's see. Okay, as you can see, okay, I think it's quite clear, correct, guys? Okay, yep, and yep, 5 minutes to the H1 opening. Let's see how it goes. All right, looks like it's still trying to push into this area. Okay, let's get into this area first. Okay, because this is the beginning of the resistance level. Okay, this is the beginning of the resistance level, and where this level, then likely, okay, there may be some selling off again from here to this level, 12 pips of space, another scalping opportunity if the resistance comes in. Okay, if the resistance comes in. Okay, yeah, all right, so let's see. Okay, we are reading now. Currently this session we are reading on the candles. Okay, we are reading on how the movement is like. Okay, so that everybody will have a good chance to learn how it goes. Okay, while you're holding onto the onto this. Okay, and who is still holding onto it, huh? By the way? Sabrina. Okay, I'm still holding with 12 pips of profits. 12 pips of profits earlier on. Okay, 12 pips now. Okay, right. Okay, 12 pips, 5 pips, 6 pips, 6 pips, not 5 pips. Okay, so let's see. Now we are coming into this area. Aha, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Are we going to take out this area to go up there? Then I will be going for selling soon. Okay, then I will be going for selling soon, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to come up to this area so that I have a good chance for the selling. Okay, if the price hits this with another round of resistance to form, then we will go for selling. Okay, gold start to buy. Yep, the gold. Okay, the gold start to buy. All right. Okay, as for the gold wise, let's see. Okay, I'm going to bring this down first. This area here, we just need to be a little bit careful. 1914, about 1914. Okay, 1914.5. 1914.5. About 1914.6. I think that should be one level. Okay. 19. Yeah, just like Carol just now was saying, 1910 is a very tough to break. Yes, you're right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. So let's pay attention to this. 1914. Okay. The buy should reach 1914 for the first stage. Okay, so we have cleared this, huh? Let me delete this away. Okay. All right. Okay, pound dollar. Let's see. Pound dollar. Some rejections from this area here. Okay, so guys, do take note about this. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, I'm looking out for selling when it take out the highs to form a resistance at 127.51.7. Okay, this is what I'm looking out for. All right. Let's say if it continue to go down for the selling, then it doesn't mean that I have no chance for selling. Okay, then we will look out for the support down here. All right, let's shrink down. Okay, if that breaks the support down here, then it retests to form another lower highs, then I will go for a selling. However, this selling area is not a lot. We are left with about 7 pips. Okay, we are left with 7 pips. So let's say, okay, after this, we are left with about 7 pips here. Then be looking out to clear the yesterday's low at 16 pips. Okay, 16 pips. And if this is able to clear as well, final, we'll be looking out for these 30 pips here, which is 126.883. Okay, 126.883. All right. But first of all, my best option will be waiting for it to go up first. Okay, then I want it to come down to take this low, 32 pips. It will be easier. Okay, it should be a smooth journey. It should be easier in a way. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's good to go up first, huh? Okay, option A, best option, it should go up first. All right. Okay, that should be for the pound dollar. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, and I think that should be all for today. I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, and happy trading with bountiful of profits. All right. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub, and I shall see you once again tomorrow for another round of trading. Okay. All right. Good luck in your trading, and see you again. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sabrina. All right. Thank you, guys. I shall see you again. All right.